In this video, I will show you how to book a real estate photo shoot with Real Estate Photographer Pro. So the first thing you want to do is go to realestatephotographerpro.com, click book, blue button in the middle of the home page, or you can go to the menu bar at the top and click book and prices. Either link will take you to the same location, the website. First thing you will be asked is the address, because we need to know the address to be able to give you a price for the property. Need an estimated square footage, rooms, and we would like to have the lot size, but doesn't have to be exact. The first thing that's going to come up is packages that would relate to that size of property, and our marketing package in this example has 45 photos, drone photos, 2D floor plan, a marketing kit, which has all of your social media content pre-made for you for Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I have your video reels, your media videos, marketing report for the website. So we're going to build a website for this property, and then you'll get a weekly update on how many people are visiting the website, and you'll get a property description. Now, if you do not want that package, you could just keep going down and do the a la carte. We have walkthrough videos, 3D walkthrough videos, drone photos, aerial notations to go along with your drone photos, drone videos, 3D floor plan. That's where the floor plan is colored and it looks similar to what the property looks like. 2D floor plan if you just need a standalone, if you need virtual landscaping, and if you just need photos, right here, next day photos. There's 30 with a floor plan and measurements. This is 30 with a floor plan, measurements, and drone photos. Here's 35 with a 1-minute marketing video. So you've got different choices. If you'd like to add on the marketing kit, you can do that now or do that later, or you can do that with the add-on package at the top. So you're just going to select your item. Let's do 30 photos. Pick your photographer. And in this example, there's no travel costs. Sometimes there might be a travel cost. We have photographers all throughout Middle Tennessee, so usually we can do it without a travel cost. So we'll just pick Rita here. And now in the schedule right here, I would suggest you go to show me the calendar. It's going to give you first available, but that may not be the times you want. So just click show me the calendar, and then you get full access to the calendar, and you can pick your time and date that's best for your property. I'll just click here, and then you're going to go ahead and just fill out the rest of this information. So it's basically pick your product and service, pick your photographer, pick your date and time, and then just fill out the form, and you're ready to go. All right, thank you.